start going through a few things here in the shop, kind of going over our equipment at the machine shop here. We specialize in repair, production, light production. As of right now, we got a lot of manual equipment. We're working on finishing up the shop here. So yeah, here's the one piece that I picked up here just not too long ago. We gave it a quick paint job, made it look like something. It's a 60-ton brake press. It's got a 6'6" die, 4-way die on it. This is back when they used to build something, 1984. This machine is all mechanical. It's got a 20-inch depth of throat there on full length. As you can see the cutout. On this brake press, the bottom die actually moves up versus the top coming down. This is all mechanical, but hydraulically. Electrical is bare minimum, absolute bare minimum. And this is really how machines should be. I know CNC stuff is great. I have CNC stuff, but at the same time, I really like mechanical stuff because you can always fix it. It always just works. But yeah, this just should make a great addition to the shop. You never know when you need to bend something. We got it still sitting on the machine rollers here. Got to get it rolled back in place, but we've had it wired up. Just tested it, showed everything was good to go. But yeah, stay tuned because we're going to start going through each piece of equipment in the shop that we have and show you some of the type of work that we do here, and gain some interest on some of the machining side of things because it's getting harder and harder to find machinists. It's just in our area anyway. It seems like I've been told it's like a dying trade. We have a full shop here. We got CNCs, lathes, mills. We got all manual mills and lathes as well. Yeah, it's just you never know what we're going to be into. It's kind of interesting, this type of trade. A lot of people don't, like for here, we're boring a sleeve and an end bell. We bored that housing out. To accept the sleeve, we built the sleeve, pressed it in with red Loctite. Now we're just getting ready to do a finish bore to repair the surface back to new for the bearing. We have a larger 34 by 120 lathe here. That's a project that we're working on. Give you a little update when we get back to that. But